Abuja for GC News, Mema Obibia Akwaba. Ahadie latest and hot news Mkwa Eramede Bramo. Anuti Zonya subscribe ya Bomodia say we subscribe to channel. Dobeya ne say obe click the subscribe button, you know. Now wabeli notification, you know. We ana sa new video bia be upload no. When the first person won sa ebeka sa video afi we na like video give us a thumbs up. Na fi share ma foforo so na bonye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana mema no afi yebura ye ensemo abeto yepno so yentie yes a report ya ababeto bia yentie
akuyama kan nez about Tetteh Yohonu mame ka sem bi nchiro enne ne te ase menim say radio gold empani 40 through ne tie ene ya grassroots no ene ye tie radio gold ameka grassroots no ho me mentra han ka se ma minni hu adanse die before elections posi pani bi soma akwa bi a so ye security expert tie posi pani bi pa esoma akwa bi a so ye security expert akọ Tetteh Yohonu office ana ko bi sa say Akra ya ma wakwaba mo fancha mi o mo fancha me pa akra ya ma wakwaba na abatu a ye kwakoto yi no ebe kosen tie me ena Tetteh Yohonu ka kire o mo se e ka kire akoa no se ono ne be den pa se the MPP betimi abrekida 8 no more can. But experience on wenya. Anyhow, amount agitation is our system no. It will be very difficult for the MPP to win 2024 elections. No, we say. None nipa no Tetteh Yohonu tin office on our record no. And what the comments are posted panino. And I'm sending ma Akufo Addo ne. Your friend say, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. Eti mo pa mo hwade we. Me map Ghana for assignment. Before you beto aba no, mpani for ba ha. Any other institutions are wom ye to aba, wom nya Ghana for eba. Akufo Dampare hold series of meetings, not to Yohonu nka ho. Mumisa nse no way. Me say videos are proud to election 2024. Listen to me, yo. Videos are Akufo Dampare any post for near meetings out on the Electoral Commission, the political parties in the no. None of those videos or those meetings are not Tetteh Yohonu at Yasia. Because almost say Tetteh Yohonu and this ni. Tetteh Yohonu and this ni. But Mamika Tetteh Yohonu appointment Akufo Addo the man. Now study data at that time now. Now the crime rate of Ghana no not start here rise. One committee on Tróuble House. And I'm sure me say the way near mercy for approach elections no. And show ya and them begin some. Why na you be obey me abua operations? And obi nyina ka say e ban police operations there Tetteh Yohonu. Time on na Tetteh Yohonu nya deputy IG no. Na Dampare and in the book atafre. I am giving you insight. Yekitan Crawford police headquarters one. I didn't come out every day. And I'm gonna say at the time na Tetteh Yohonu deputy IGP no. Na Dampare you no. Edini ye dwuma bia no Tetteh Yohonu eso man ho kwa no osom no. Ye born di so deputy IGP pe. Ena papa no tie ne ho firi ne ho. Eti Yohonu ko officer onya adwuma bia. I'm the court. I think November 30th. And on November 30, say identity Akufo Addo one man appointment na what just what the office no what dia share appointment nim. One me call court. Mumisa se hwan ne man hwan de Tetteh Yohonu call court. Akufo Addo appointment no. Eti Yohonu ya call elections yi na ne nsa nim bi. I am planning to remain Dampare. Sir Akufo Dampare should continue to serve under John Mahama. And I'm also man go tenement microphobia what system no say. They should write a bogus and false article about Crawford say not Dampare pay. And untina na so rigging elections in my MPP in one rigging tina Akufo Addo tano omo bowa in a voice of why who to me wobowa and sometimes a microphone din komo and your person bon microphone din what you say it is system no almost set system na to and they are playing politics with Ghana Police Service. I have given you guys assignment. Videos outdoor meetings outdoor proud to elections meetings are papa your friend said Akufo Dampare nyina na Tetteh Yohonu nka ho. San say ya soma me akọ record Tetteh Yohonu. Ama Tetteh Yohonu akọ the private conversation say e be dey party ama MPP some be break 18 because e dey man ko yie. And decide ya Tetteh Yohonu NDC ni no. Yen sabotage no. But omo timi revoking appointment niti ana papa na ka oti dem. Hwa sa deployment omo ya soldier for nyina no. Say IGP catch him say no nim hu bia no boa. IGP say ma post ni bia for to nko police station. But yenya how kumsin bodyguard bo be to ku no kaswa. Na apostle for surround ejina ho. Not one individual the MPH akopotuo. Eteki woman to call for reinforcement and send for the tuoba. Bana okumo bi wakaswa no. Na such a bogus and loose system Akufo Dampare ye no. Na nyo ye no process ye no. Was about positive for to nko. Etimi ko si bo achi de tuo hwa me ho a. Metimi ko bo post for the tuo ko. Nyesa no patre. Esi ye. E wakaswa. It was my system you lose. It took the vigilance of the NDC and our supporters to make sure, sir, resistance and vigilance at the end of the day, every year, Juma. Resistance and vigilance. Resistance and vigilance. I don't know here, Juma, NDC. I saw the phone no more do say, one do more corner, say, a year so past, no more boa. They knew what they wanted to do. No money, my dear person, no person. Baby, I hope you know. Woman couldn't even with the system, the Electoral Commission as presiding officers, you know, so that a control the idea they will change figures in terms of the sitting government. I don't want to talk too much. At the Electoral Commission, Nadia Wenano, and Yakwa, Womuchi Chimna Fruma. But at the end, we had to say, Akaku for the 17 days. No the president to be him. Now electoral commissioner. What dream down? Now so take court to them. Now a judge near the Asema bro. Person kono dia. And I'm in school I'm call yam yamojuma. Media meeting me buaten since I'm getting more for. But here na as layman of Emrano, yes. Near Nano esi yano. Otchere be a two obia. Obia Karane den and pardon. Honorable.
Minia.
Time I was open so con. Yes, but so far your general overview with the national elections in the course.
On the Jemensane easy or moyen. What's your so babe? Quite biaswa in ye. De be amicase Ghana. Say ye fro se brabe sumo maina eya kwenya no wenya. You are writing history. That nchirima no ebe kenkan de wo ye na ye de aboaba so se de wo ye na ye ana ye de atru form se de wo ye no wan sumo man wo kwampa so. Na me did say EC Chewi should be one of the people in our books a man for be kan ho asema say this woman never helped Ghana. Hey, right from the one after 2020 election, the orchestration has always been there. Said 2024 election should be rigged in favor of MPP. ehaya na me betina during the limited registration exercise. Now when eniema ECD egu akwa mu epeso mu disenfranchising nipa bebre so mbe register. It was so clear. Baby I'm one. I have about almost 50% of my constituency overbanked. Omu wonsuo neja. Ye trade no mami ya nwene ho se obema akwanya ma omo saa side no enkura omo di 18 years. Wosi yenya omo fo omo ntina boat mu ntwansuo emetwere omo di. No problem. Ye hu de da mami yamfi. Then ye bo mo ni aso omo betwere din so omo nto aba. Esa do another time I was ye twere din mami enya so ehu na mfiri saa de anim. They see 2022 no wanya so ehu na mfiri. The same thing. Na che say omo benya Oma ye research ehun say the young ones almost free SHS free HS enkra na ko school ehun bra oma bre ehun said ye omo I to say omo hu mete wo under the free SHS policy ejo omo nim say enkra no omo kwan so omo nto aba omo to aba tia sa aban we the whole arrangement is say let us disenfranchise these children 18 years omo beto aba for the first time. Indeed he never watched. The nyame beye. Yera Mahama Campaign was say we came into the election with the Azuma Nelson mentality. Ye metwe ma referee bi medim emaupi. So it was a technical knockout. Ye ma knockout. Nene automatically obi a winning box mu ko anim say ya ma knockout yi de o man knockout no na ide on adi nkunim. Na nyame so gina ye church gina pa because sankenti say vote overwhelming vote ya yenya ya minu anka we ade ni besi because look at how the police mechanism on the bar elections they were not allowed to hold weapons. Yes, that's okay, but what strategy was also put in place to make sure say me ordinary citizen may go mean for weapon. What did they put in place? What did they put? So they left us in out say at the basi biano money munyame ya to abawi ochina 2 weeks after election, yet we have not been able to collate or count our votes. Ghana, how many constituencies? Population yes. It take 2 weeks to find a resting avenue for elections. And then that's okay election was as a running to a it tells you say the Jemensa-led EC is full of frustrations. Now the how many say the majority na ye peno. Omo majority no peno omanya. Ena is a micro minority, not just minority, micro minority. And now no because the 24-hour shift they bet me the parliament cry. Oh yeah. 92 bar no pana 95 about and 96 about the next sitting. It best start you. You best start you. Because now don't be do number no. At any point in time we are majority. At any point in time they are micro minority. And it tells you clearly here they are caution. But you see, yeah, one thing I love about the NDC, they say, yeah, we are law abiding because this country is governed by laws. And the young family say and some near Bibia. Hey, 2020, the same abana mo the boy, and then they do muso amoso prima abana mom. 30 months out, again money. You did so many things, and finally we had to walk to court. Said, "Kwaya mo fa so amu declare no, ekum nipa wo ho kra no, it was unlawful." Court ni bobu asem na yebu amam. What did we do? DNA as NDC as a political party. We didn't do anything because the law has spoken, and as good citizens of this land, abiding the laws of this country, we never did anything. Now, when they do muso, na say yes, ya to abavi, ya declare ba. We say there be, ya recollection. See, I now one kasa one sasha asem. A baby anyway, say ya to abavi, yes, I recollection. Baby or her on fanchre Ghana for. There's nothing like that. And with that level of impunity, no, they are no person watch. Yes, no, ya to a baby. Ye pese baby a din. Sa asumdwe na yenya the clubs of issues na yenya during the elections no. Yes, but the whole election on a percentage base no, about 96% it was peaceful.
Yeah.
At then one yenya asumdwe emfa nra bronya. Monday na say Benada na bronya dua na esi no.
Yeah.
Yet some constituencies are still grieving. Because you declare baby say NDC, they was say what the baby you declare say Damango to say MPP Damango. And what the
Akotia.
You get it? So mama no me ni bronya no wasum dream. Aka in 2 weeks or 3 weeks time. Now you swear in the president elect. Now you inaugurate the 9th parliament. Manom bet say the ye no. Manom bet say asubia Ghana e wo. Care Ghana.
Yes.
My also my issue statement to be. And I think that the international community and so watch it here. Mami we all yen. We don't want our name to be in the international space for bad things like what she's trying to do. We are saying say maybe asumbi one or masumbi nya de enko so amra. Mani meye maybe I said the work can say we have intel say you know. All members of the NDC come told me we are not going to partake in any recollation exercise. Yet the say all those declarations that were made, nobody could say it was under duress. Duress be any now obifi said duress be obabia and you know single-handedly and a better baby I can say somebody declared some seats under duress. There be the person in can say whatever they feel or they deem right. Ghana is manned by constitution. We are ruled by the law. Until onfanko baby a emra na yebechirechire machire. Na minim se emra no so behwe say the peace we are inheriting now will not be destroyed or it will not be disdained. To the point say ye koya ade bia mamrantie ne mabo aka say ye de ye mpene so na asa de oye ne bia ye den abesi o man ni. Ye maame Jemensa we oba bia ye maame. Oman yemu nhihye ne magana because sumdua ye wono esom musi ne bibia. Already we know why the MPP doesn't want to have this majority. They don't want us to have the 2/3 of parliament. They don't want us because it has become convincingly say ahwe ombo o ma ma adwuma ye pese ye bia na ebe de ye be ene etisa de ene mum yen say 2/3 no so yenya wi and they should be minded about what they do because the ultimate Ghana. The ultimate Ghana. Ye nyina on my way and ye bo hombra. And amadika aka no. Se ne edru so to say the edru me so say me ye mekoye mrehwe beje ni ama me mpeso asofo a history bi na me betwero. Se me ma breso edie na me ye de bo Ghana ene me mpeso asofo. The same thing Jemensa as the EC led person. And what are you writing for the next generation to come and read about or to be told about? So we dig Ghana nim ekwa battle 2020-2024. A dear now yeah. You've marred the peace atmosphere now you the peaceful atmosphere you. Yes sir no. Baby I would dig Ghana ekono. Hey, and this ya track right about say we have put injunction on the Hopeson way. Or in the press briefing, what is all kind ye injunction was. We say we're never going to partake in the recollation. What is what can want him? Yes, so you pay emergency IPAC meeting. Have you heard her talk about it? So what kind of impunity or person or the say the election directorate under the leadership of Dr. Omani Bawumia? What trust me? And I want to reiterate here. Jane Mensa should not tempt us. Jane Mensa, easy, should not tempt us. They shouldn't take us for granted. I say, Yakoye Nkrofo yentimi nye bibia. Manen tempti. Because the oil se power sisa in the next 2 weeks. Can she do same as she's doing today?
And the driver can't be seen.
And to one say him.
No, Mr. Shinim. Over the way bill at him. The boys insisted. Say, for us to calm down. Mumbi sumi and say bibi ni moi. Could be a swa. Of whom could be a swa. I hope say the NDC people are listening. I believe say we will not be like Professor Amos administration. I hope say we will not do further for all because enyoma eba no esususi okuroi. Ofa enyoma eba no. Enyoma yetitie no. Huh? Enyoma yetitie no. You see, ministers will start running away. Akufo Addo ministers will start running away. One be chane, me na make catch now because utumu say we do about bokro no fita. Wo fe ka? Eka. Ube chane. Enti gold yi na mranje ko bie so a. Wo fa van ne sugo ni nyina gold aye ne ma.
Ade a de webel a kire say ya ship.
Ade a ye de webel a kire ye say ya ship deda. Na they see one it is empty. They see one van no ababa we jegira ho no empty. All the nkrata kire ye me say MPP on. Wo fa MPP mo kro no bo. It is say high 4194 and I say I'm Robesa. Womako University akobo degree.
Oh,
degree mu promise. MPP kro no boy who be da. What babem we a minister you tua ka be 22,000 a month. What you say sika we say 8 years. One allowance nkura is almost 50,000 a week a month or say whatever. Yeah, month 5 salary. One allowance will be your salary almost 50 something thousand. Why a minister for 8 years? Why a appointee for 8 years? Abano Are. All of a sudden, now also in chance roofing sheet to coffee. Now the fertilizer coffee. Now the iron rod a coffee. Now we are buying the Japadi to coffee. Ade. It is a young branch NDC for Mrantian or airport. Any some party executives. And almost stop ya come the gold. A whole car, one car, gold I am ma with a gold bako, a bacasam is sre.
That's right.
Gold bako, I that can't bako by some is sre. Now, wama packet good came bro. Now, boys is any ever can answer a modiaco. Until boys and the camera see can also. What kind gold do normal kind 1, 2, 3, 4, 17 boxes. Now 17 boxes, I'm saying we are. Sa gold na make us say 79 no 10 the one 10. Almost 170 kilograms. What fatie? You nim say ya stop us gold for oil. And so PMC for to make a chere airport was say where you gold for oil gold no mo dey ko abrochi. Meanwhile you jai. Obi nim say gold for oil na to nsuom. Now we omo say abai no lusu gold no a wo to gu ho ansa na o man fa nko ansa na no omo ye fast ni ayedai omo akwa kotwedi omo ye ne fast akwa kotwedi ene ya che wo ofa ye be back maybe I mean ja eyo there are issues bia ACC after Jane Mensa yo bia sabi oyo bank ani nimdie be bia nka eduro sa concert ya oye nka senye oye because ogu na busuafo enim ase egu ne ba enim ase anya se ma me nim de oye o onim odwene into onim de oye
ayabro
ay ni da ho bone ni abro ekura ne mako mokosu wo mo kwa ye mokofuo ana ekura ne ka ne magu mo se monkeka mokono monkeka enkwala ke kamo kono ana kwala ba ko se ma mokono a ye kitwa kekan enye de wo so se ye kekan so enye de ma se enye ne de nti na ye bae abro abro ntia
92.3 FM
alaska mami je mensa party e do ba ye ne ye MPP sa party no ene ni nine ba ku si abonten a okọ na uti tama yekoto aba na meka de bia se ma meje mensa yo bia esi ko hunu nyansa hunu se de wo ye no ubobu kunta enti de wo ye se MPP lusu a woni MPP be kwa na
92.3 on this platform
ibi se de bia because ma meje mensa no bi o ye no se NDC hunu bibi na wo mo ba abonten be kan the Electoral Commission will issue a restatement of rebuttal.
That's right.
To disclaim said the NDC is not what the NDC is saying is false. Meanwhile, they will come back 3 days, 4 days
to accept,
to come and accept said the NDC kind no kure na no kura no
92.3
you print ballot papers ni ehunu say ballot na print ye no mistakes wo ho na ya catch electoral commission be gia tum say oya ampa we hunu o say there be onu na ehunu mistake no no wa ship papers over 1.5 million dollars no ahye no ahye sika keke ya to abawie ye say dey okay see na wo dey adwuma no ensesan ye no na wo dey adwuma
that's right
ya to abawie won kasa wo commissioners a wo recruit wo tie mami jeme sam say bibi hanagin o nipa no kasa fa wo say wo na me recruit say wo ye military officer for Bumprugu yoyo for Ashaima for Tema East Tema West Madina Hifa Bantama ono na select wo mo and na wo mo aba bontina be declare results mami jeme say result no mo declare no. They declare the result under duress. Now, duress is a technical word. It can only be defined in court.
Exactly.
So ujina bantama. Na se bantama constituency. One more announce result wa. Uba who said they obia wo electoral room hobia you are under duress.
Exactly.
Because the tension there, that is the stronghold of the MPP. And the Kumasi result they declare they be duress. Mami Jemensa or the measurement machine being and or the testy MPP electoral officers no get recruit you woman and my woman who say a dress
so omudi ehu
chi say result near 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 now the bomb na 4 whether you are under duress or not that is the result because result no kikabo collation center enye county no you add the result from Abia Ashama Secondary School Presby A Presby B Presby C sa result no e baye no eno na wodi bubom wo collation center yen kan aba ho ye de bubom
that's right
and the result e fi aba ye no wo de ato ho na we e ba wo de aba be ka ho na we na free aba wo de aba be ka ho wo wi a figures no ho na nya dodo no abo that is collation center
that's right
yen kan aba ho and the electoral commission and the bubo aba no wie no sabani ye 210 on ka say 110
exactly
the also no otro so what is the duress duress no wahiba result no ye 14,600 and we about 14,600 die na do duress iba die na do duress what is the pressure over tie one of the difficulties baby electoral commissioner ekofa MPP activists as the electoral officer declaring the result became a problem for them.
that's
Because it's me unya NDC ni na unya MPP ni na unya electoral commission ni ya to abawie ejuma na wo ye ne betua wo ka ya se result no a ya to aba no aba no bo ye ti na say ye odin na ye de aba no fi tesa no ye de fi kuma Eastern region
about tesa
ye de aba no fi Eastern region efa kasa eba Accra Greater Accra e de ko police headquarters and send your about result.
now Eastern region police training school
No, Eastern region regional police command.
exactly
And see the police regional command there no, and you credible enough to supervise the counting of result. Now my Michi Mensa, I'm the result if you result about ya through Eastern region. Well, found called regional office of the police in Ho or the result if you hosa a duojiri sankren. Tesano.
Ato FM 92.3
Oh, some to him.
Between one and Chassis. Well, for the Benesi, 1992, I started say to about Ghana 93. I be seen ne a very giant, Charlotte Senum. Da Ben ye ko to about Bumprugu yo Temale, and I said Temale East. Now I want to be on Kaya, but no master Sasadi Abakumasi. Near Babakai.
I don't want us to say no
Listen, the incompetence of Mami Jane Mensa, coupled with her diabolical intentions, and Jimboni who distributed Mamma to be Edma. Mamina Jimboni who distributed. She's so wicked. She a dear ye catcher is on your noye. But for say MPP electoral commissioner, and I say NDC electoral commissioner, result to no Babato, Ujina Bantamo, Ujina Ketu Noto, Ujina Aflao, ujina subio result no ya to aba no de aba no yakeka bomu a na woka je ti na say yodi tema central yakeka result na wi fabom na declare na take it 3 days na take it 4 days ablekuma not na take it 3 days na take it 4 days na yentumi ka figures amomu so nya MPP ni a DNT na say eye ne ya say result no be declare ne ya ti se nipa ne nya MPP officer electoral officer DNT na result no declare ne ya because wo adwuma ne say ko hweso mo ye nto aba nipa obe wi ne no wa wi ni na what declare result na wa ju sika na ko baby DNT na say why are they worried about declaring losers eduejiri
but already akwani bien over 2,000 plus vote.
Oh yes. Wo bien keke.
I no don pray lose quick.
Where Azuma principle?
I no don pray enim se wo lose onim.
I no don pray.
O person use takashiri di jim ye di fam. I no don pray. I no don pray.
I know I don't pray.
I no don pray. Wonim se wo lose onim. Enso di takashi fam afa. Se ye jere obi amane ba parliament na wo nko lose a meku na ntwiawe. Another pray me na make kire wo lusu ni so lusu ye ma wo kwan ma wo sesa result da sa wo tu no no ya wo ye no a hanta bia na wo ye no wo muhwe wa fatie ma me je mensa your press conference
That's right.
on feria de am say abotokura na owe
Already.
abotokura obi owi abotokura be on kan kure mankusim bela obi bela into on oi ofa mami James say press conference oye press conference no obi a woni o party nyina mo lusu amoko wo ye MPP ni enu nti na Akufo Addo kofa obaye
That's right.
wo ye maame Rebecca Akufo Addo ni nua ba ena Akufo Addo kofa obaye owie no de ni nua ba ma eye finance minister ye ba bokro no ene ye bokro no ya bokro no ama MPP 90 ministers 93 MPs and the bar bontin be say ye finance minister we do a bond do kron one obo into Moses no in sida in the whole Ghana or the whole world e bin sida say members of the same party MPs
That's right.
protect against their own finance minister horrible Mami James say press conference and asem nyina say result no a nipa onu anka say yi wo mo say o me ye electoral officers for certain constituencies ablekuma not tema central edien wa o mo declare result no Mami James say bi ka kire say wo mo be ye recollation Mami James say wa bon a it is not our fault to say wo bo bon enye ye ne yesoma wo say bon ye obi akọ school wo ko ye na say wo die na wo sua no fa nye dwumu a mesrewara dinti emrabe na wo di ye dwuma wo say ye ko ye recollation.
That's right.
Ahoto FM 92.3.
Me papa ne fa eyi sa tema central presiding electoral officers me papa ne fa na odwuma mu ana wo na wo fa no me ma me ne fa ablekuma not
That's right.
electoral officer no o declare result no me papa ne fa na odwuma mu
Fantia
Kwanok me ma me ne fa no ma me je me sa wo na wo recruit wo mu nyina ana wo ni wo mu ye dwuma unim so ye ndisi nyanka wo mfa no o me ye MPP for 2 fa wo mu ana o declare result ana o party elusu die na wo ye say your press conference o mfere de am say ma me je de me sam say me hunu say ma me no ndisi no nsuro ye oh am so nsuro ndisi ana on fere ade into nsuro ndisi so before say na Akufo Addo na wi power Akufo Addo na wi power 2017 and now be take over and now we electoral commissioner and now we call a press conference aka kire ne say ni MPP obonu so ba wi ni wo abuakwa isi regina and ka wo sa nipa no be wu ewi akoteke we be wu ni ekete Mami James does not fear the NDC. And in the midst of this overwhelming defeat, this woman can still gather courage, organize a press conference, and say they are going to recollect certain constituencies. Mami James, who born dog? dear the how say so be do munia dear who you be who so a juman to me ye fan konyen go ho fa wo keys to ho jay jumano near who is a jay over Akufo Addo and win election dubiously in 2020 they be our conductor babia and die be trouble organ be a problem. This is assembly election problem, 2020 election problem. Up to now, what to mean declare result? And ne ya two Abama Bawumia 41.66%. 41.66. Say you can 20 all the 9 constituencies now can we are Bawumia ever call around 39 or 38%.
Or 38.
Or 38.
That's right.
Huh?
38%.
Mas me prediction at all.
Now, John Mahama.
Me can say Bawumia more than 39. Me can almost has it. Me can say not 30 more than 39. Take the Ghana for Sebi. Or me can see him answer. Me can almost see about
John Mahama acquired 58 points something until approximated to 59.
Yeah.
59%.
That's right.
Ato FM.
Now MPP for being Ferradio still they are talking. What for you lose with Basho 2016? By 6 months, because you didn't cast Ghana. The MPP people are still talking and still lying. They did kind, Bawumia and Cassandra. I say NDC for more radio stations, TV stations, so on, until they lost the election through the media. And I'm saying Alaska,
2.3.
Alaska, Power FM, Accra FM,
Ahoto FM.
Radio Good.
Now Radio Good put on last year.
Alaska FM.
Alaska nipa far from
Radio 1.
For radio stations. And the Bawumia is complaining say mo and 9 against over 32 radio stations in Greater Accra no. Mo na mama mo lusu. Alaska be bo abaso. Se sana tie de no mo lusu bebre.
Yo, Jifo, we ne reporter ababeto yepno so Mikao say wunya subscribe to channel ya bomodi say obe subscribe we na fe wa like video like the video na fe share ba ofofro so na wenye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memwa oso betimi a chere wadwen afa eye ensemo nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu mobeti minkabio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.